So, ladies and gentlemen, we have a new product in stock. Yay! So, good afternoon, my Diamond Gem sisters. So, remember I showed you guys, well, those of you that were on my YouTube channel, I showed you guys that I had created that blowout spray or whatever. So, I finally made a label for it. I'm calling it the Blowout and Silk Press Leave-In Spray, right? But this the kicker. So, I took out, like, just, you might say this is like my sideburns. They just real long. But look how straight my hair got. Look how shiny. So what I did was I used the shampoo bar. Then I used the conditioner. That's all I used. Shampoo bar, conditioner. Didn't even leave it in long. And then I sprayed some of the spray. Blow dry it. And then flat iron it. But look. Look how silky. Look how shiny. And I haven't put anything else in my hair. Look how shiny. If you could see good. Let's see. Yeah. Look how shiny it is. And so soft. And then it's raining here. So I went outside because I had to get the bottles out of the lab. So I went outside and my hair did not puff up. So y'all, I'm telling you, this straightener is about to be a game changer. Now, I don't know how long it's going to be in stock. You know, I don't know how long I'm going to actually carry it. Because creating stuff, you know, takes time. But so far, so good. I cannot wait to take my braids out and just blow dry all of my hair. Flat iron it. And I don't even think I'm a flat iron. I think I'm just going to blow dry it and then braid it back down. But that's a game changer. And look, and I need my ends trimmed on here. And I haven't even trimmed my ends. But even like my ends got straight. So I just wanted to show y'all that. I'm about to go live and show them because I was like, there's no way I could just send the product out and I ain't even use it yet. So, all right. Love you guys. I'll talk to you later. Okay, everybody. So here's an update. So I went back and I wet my hair just so you guys could see that your hair will revert back to curly if you are natural. All right. This product is not a permanent hair straightener. It's a temporary hair straightener. There are no chemicals involved, but look how silky and look how curly my hair is. As I said, guys, it's a game changer. So you can order now at www.miraclegrowthwater.com.